Delmonicos. They're kind of big. $17. It's about to be good. Use some of that. Oh yeah. You probably get it. Amazon just fired a lot of people. You heard about that?
One, no.
Oh, okay.
It's a remote one though. So that's
Some garlic butter. It's gonna be good with some rice. It smells so good. 8 minutes aside. Gonna flip in a few minutes. We just got flipped. Uh-oh. Smoke alarm! Smoke alarm! Huh?
it's up there. See it up there?
Oh God, dude. I don't even know if I can reach that.
Blow into it. Here.
Okay. Alright. Oh, that worked. Had to add more butter. It's looking so good. Got that rice steaming hot. Getting the edges. They almost ready. Gotta get the close-ups. The poor pan for our steak's looking good.
This one's medium.
Just took it out. Pan. Looking good. It's the bigger one. Smelling good. I'm zooming shots too. The baby. Cut it in half. Look at that. Yeah. Dude, that was so good. I ate most of it. Here's the other half of it. Some rice. Undo. Booty.